In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your license plate bracket on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located on the front of the car. We're going to take out the two bolts holding this on. Ours is a 7mm socket for this one, and this side is an 8mm socket. Use whatever size you need for your bolts. Using a 7mm on this side. You remove it, and we're going to swap out for an 8mm for ours. And you're going to remove it. You're going to hold your license plate bracket up. Use a self-tapping screw and screw it in. Once you're tight, you're going to do the same on the other side. Ideally, you would use the same size screw, but we already have a hole in our bumper here, so we need to use a larger screw. And just tighten it down. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.